How to buy ATM token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto. The best referral code simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going out by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep on the winner updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created just 3 days ago and increased by 91% in less than 24 hours. As you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 86%. That's mean your investment in the same place. And this token trending number 2 in the Binance Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, we will use the Uniswap for that. Now, first of all, connect your wallet. Select your wallet from here. I will use the Bitget wallet for that. Now connect your wallet. So after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, if you don't see your token here, go back to page on the screener of that token. Now click here to copy the token address and go back to Uniswap. Click here and select from here the Binance Smart Chain, as you can see, as a network, and paste the token address here and select your token, as you can see. So click on continue, and as you can see, we'll be able to find it here. So from the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, I will use the USDT for that. So after you select your token from here, now click here and type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy ATM token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.